another HTM Jobs How-To. This month's episode, we're talking about how to make a career change during the holidays.
We're going to go over some key points from an article that can be found in the HTM Jobs Career Center.
Number one takeaway is there's less competition during the holidays. The last thing on people's mind is making a career change or applying for jobs, which makes it the perfect time for you to submit that resume. There's less competition, which means there's a better chance you'll get the job.
Point number two is you probably have a little bit more time on your hands to reflect everything that you've done this past year, fix your resume, connect with new people. So really take advantage of that time and start putting some feelers out there and get started on applying for new jobs.
Tip number three is people are typically happier during the holidays. So people have a little bit more time on their hands, or in better spirits, which means they might have more time to network with you or have eye-opening conversations that might help you advance in your career.
And the last point is, why wait? You might as well go ahead and get started now if you want to start the new year on a good foot and a new career.
Our number one takeaway is that we like to call this separation season. So when the holidays begin, people tend to lose motivation, they take their foot off the gas, which means this is a perfect time for you to step up your game and get the career of your dreams.
So make sure you like and subscribe our YouTube channel, TechNation TV, and register for free on htmjobs.com today and start applying for those new positions.
Comment what you want to see next month, and we'll see you guys then.
Happy holidays!